Hello everyone, and thanks for visiting the FormGet sales page. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what FormGet is actually capable of doing. So basically FormGet is a form building application and it allows you to create any kind of web form of any type that you want. Okay, we actually offer a drag and drop form building software. So basically if you want to create any kind of form, you just have to press the name, email, number, message, any kind of fields that you want, and instantly a form is generated. Once the form is generated, you can apply any kind of design to the form to just make sure that it stands out from rest of the competition. So you can apply a nice looking header image on the top. If you want to change any kind of font types, if you want to change the background colors, if you want to change anything in the form, you can do that from within the FormGet dashboard. Now the FormGet is actually a cloud application. So once the form is created, you can share the form link to all your customers wherever your customers are. So you can send the form link using email. If your customers are on Facebook page, you can share the form link on your Facebook page. If your customers are on LinkedIn, you can share the link of the form on LinkedIn, or just about any other place where you want to share the form, you can share the form link instantly. Okay, now the FormGet form is not a typical web form. It is not just a simple web form. It actually has lots and lots of options to make sure that you are able to collect as many leads as possible, as well as these forms allow you to collect as much payment as possible through multiple payment gateways as well. So we actually offer multiple sharing option in the form itself. So if you have a website, you can embed this form on the website itself. If you want, you can actually share the direct form link with your customer. And one interesting thing that we actually offer within FormGet is that you actually can add this sliding widget to your website. Now the interesting thing about sliding widget is that usually when you see the forms out there, they can only be embedded to just one page or two pages of the website. But when you have the sliding widget, you can add this sliding widget to as many pages as you like, and you can actually put a small JavaScript code into your website, and the form with this sliding code will start to appear on all the pages of your website. It is really an amazing feature of FormGet, as it allows you to create your form once and add this form to your entire website and make sure you're capturing leads from every single page of your website. Okay. Once the leads are captured, you will be able to see all the form submissions in one single dashboard, and you can see this dashboard which is elegantly designed, and you can see all the data in a tabular format. So you can see what all messages has arrived, what all messages has been submitted through your form. You can check out any of the messages, and if you want to reply to any of those messages, you can actually reply to the very same customer who submitted the detail from within FormGet. Now this is actually a very great feature, because if you are creating any kind of contact form or a help desk form, people can write you their queries and you can actually respond back to the very same person from within the FormGet interface. Okay, apart from that, you get the detail of the customer, his email address, the place from where he has submitted his query, the point of contact. So it explains where the customer used to be when he submitted the query, and you can check all the details from within your FormGet dashboard. I will be showing you the entire backend interface in just a few minutes, but before that I wanted to cover all the basic things that you're getting within FormGet. Okay, apart from that, you can actually create forms which has a payment option in them. So if you want to sell any kind of thing, t-shirts, if you want to sell some consultancy, or if you want to have some services that you want to sell, you can just place them inside the form and you can price it and people can order it right away. If you have some kind of monthly membership, you can also offer a recurring monthly membership and create a recurring form which people can pay once and they will be automatically be paying on a daily basis or a monthly basis or an yearly basis. Apart from that, FormGet allows you to manage multiple forms on one place. So imagine if you have 10 different websites, it might become very hard to go inside some WordPress dashboard or your any of the other CMS that you might be using. Go inside each and every dashboard, check out the form, check out the leads, and all those kind of things become very cumbersome. If you're handling clients, it become even more tougher, because when you are trying to check out multiple websites, multiple forms, multiple data, it all becomes very clumsy. So basically, FormGet allows you to set up all your forms at one place. You can check out all your leads from one dashboard, and you can embed this form on multiple websites. Even if the multiple websites are multiple client website, you can do that as well. Okay. Apart from that, if you have a team, if you have a big team, you can say, or if you have a client, you can say that this particular client is going to have the access to this specific form. So basically it becomes very easy for you to manage the client details, client data, and all those kind of things, and you can make sure that a particular person is getting access to his particular form in any way that you like. Okay. Apart from that, you can also create these forms in any languages possible. So it doesn't matter if you are in Japan, Germany, Russia, you can create forms in any language that you want. And when the form submission happens, you also get a message in your email inbox. So that makes it very easy, because now the details are not just stored in a backend dashboard, but you are also getting the detail back inside your email address as well. You can also, if your form is very big, you can make it a logical form, so that if a person chooses a certain field, the form dynamically changes according to the type of fields that he chooses. For example, in this specific form, if a person is selecting that he is an existing customer, a new field pop-ups where he asks, what is your username? So you can design these kind of advanced logical form through FormGet as well. Once the form detail is captured, you can send it across to multiple email service providers, so that you can generate and you can automatically send emails to all those leads possible. Okay. We also offer hundreds and hundreds of FormGet extension, and extension ranges from PayPal, Stripe, MailChimp, sharing, user location, and just about everything. Okay. You can filter the data, and you can create any kind of web form that you like. Okay. Now, this is just a basic overview of what FormGet is able to do. What I'm now doing is I'm going to the backend dashboard, and I'm just showing you that once you have created the form, what kind of details are you able to see. So this is my dashboard. In this dashboard, you can create a new form by clicking the create new form button. Once you click on create new form button, you get this nice looking form. You can change the form title here. This can be anything. If you want a consultancy payment from someone, you can just write consultancy payment. You can write and change the description, payment for my services, and you can send across this form anyone that you like. So as you can see, creating a form is very simple. You just press on the left, and instantly the fields are created. You can drag and drop the fields, you can arrange the field as you like, and that's it. You can create a form. So now what I'm doing is I'm changing the background of the font of the form. So I choose this green background. Oh no, it doesn't look good. What I'm doing is I'm choosing this floral background, and I have this category. I'm choosing a fashion category, and I'm creating this form. Okay. If you want to change the form colors, upload a custom background. If you want to change any custom fonts, you can do that from here. And lastly, you just have to press the save changes button, and instantly the form is created. Okay. Now you actually get a embed code. If you like, you can embed this sliding form to your website. If you don't want to embed the form on your website, you can also share the form link directly on your social networks or any other place that you like. You just have to copy this code, and you can share this to your to anyone whoever you want. Okay. FormGet allows you to create a payment form. So if you want to add a payment option to any form. You can configure the payment options as well. I have already created one payment form here, so I can just show that form to you. It says payment form for Venkat. He can write his name, he can write his email address, and he can just press the pay here button. As soon as he presses the pay here button, he is instantly taken to a web form where he can write his name, email, card number, and he can do the instant payment and check out the payment. Okay, now FormGet forms can be used for multiple purposes. In our case, sometimes we use it for collecting payments from our clients. Sometimes if we offer some subscription in a discounted price, we create a form and send it to our customers. Few days back, I created a freelance work form. This is how it looks. I said apply for freelance work with your name, email, contact number, current location, and the things that you have expertise in. And I created this form, and I actually created a Facebook ad, and I shared this form on Facebook. Okay, so once the form is shared in Facebook, people can click on this form and they can reach a page. And as you can see, lots and lots of people have entered their detail, and you can check out any of the lead data here. You can see the name of the person, the email address, the contact number, the city, the field of expertise, and any other detail that you want. You can also check the point of contact from where the person submitted this form. Similarly, what kind of operating system or browser he was using at the time of submission, all those kind of details are also entered. I also ran a small survey using form. I created what is your biggest email marketing challenge. I send it across to my customers through using email. I created this form, and it took me less than 5 minutes to design this form. I created your name, your email field, and then I said, what is your biggest email marketing challenge? Is it low inboxing? Again, it was a dynamic form. So if person was selecting low inboxing, the field was changing below. Okay. Similarly, you can create any kind of other forms as well. So FormGet in itself is really a cool solution if you have multiple clients or if you have multiple websites where you want the form to go. Apart from that, if you want to create any kind of form, you can do that with FormGet. It is all cloud based, so you don't have to install anything. It will be all installed for you and you can always check all the details by going to formget.com. So it's an amazing deal. We actually sell the unlimited version of FormGet for $297 on formget.com. You can also check the pricing. That is our regular pricing. But on this deal, we are offering a very nice pricing, and you can check out a nice pricing on our sales page itself. And I'm pretty sure that the very same deal that you're going to get for $297, you are going to get the same deal for quite a good discount. So you can just make sure to get this offer as soon as possible, and I'm pretty sure that you will love the experience of building the form using FormGet, and you will always come to us if you have any questions, any feedback, and I'm pretty sure that you will love the FormGet experience in itself. So thanks for watching this video.